favourite thing about the project was when we got to find out things we never knew before.
We devised a theatre piece which we then took into schools, and we were characters, so I was Earth Soil and my sign was Earth Soil, and the other two names are Sunny Sunshine and Rainwater, and you're going to meet them. And then we just devised this whole piece really about how do we deliver sign language, how do we create poetry from sign language, and it all became very much about nature connection. And then we started to really see how important nature connection is to work with children, and particularly in inner cities.
And my favourite part was when we planted our sunflowers. I really liked that. I liked it when we water it. I thought they were going to die, but they didn't.
There was a very strong element of emotional intelligence, which we found that with sign language was very powerful. And there's a game that we invented which we called Emotion Ball, where we would make up this invisible thing, and then we would, with our emotions, maybe so this was a happy ball, we'd just pass it. And it was a way to really start to explore emotions. So they all wrote poems and are performing their poems today, and the poems are all written from the perspective of a seed. But I think it's been quite exciting that they've learnt how to see from the perspective of the plant or from the perspective of the soil. I feel really moved by that. So now we're going to watch Richard. So if people, apart from Richard, move their chairs here.
Yeah, and I like the way how my poem, I turned into a goat, a sad goat, and then a happy goat. I'm glad I did it, and I probably use it on my mum and dad sometimes and trick them because they don't know that much about it.